Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be working on transforming a plain breast cup into a luxury beaded breast cup. I'm going to be sharing about 5 different embellishment designs that will be sure to transform your breast cup. If you'll be interested, please watch this video, subscribe, like and share.
Hi friends, so if we remember vividly, I made this particular breast cup on camera and I shared the tutorial on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be beading this breast cup just to give us an idea of how to go about beading a breast cup or bust point of an outfit, okay? This is something that I believe will be very valuable for us on the channel. So this is my breast cup. Like I said earlier, if you've not seen the tutorial on how to make something like this, I'll link it on the screen. Here I have my seed beads and I'm just going to be combining a bunch of beads. Honestly, I don't know the direction in which this tutorial is going to go, but please follow me. I'm not going to be doing too much talking. I'm going to be doing more of illustration. So I suggest that we watch the entire video all the way through. If after watching all the way through we have questions, as usual, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. As much as possible, I'll be talking and explaining, but above listening to my explanation, please watch and replicate. I hope we all enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage on this post. Let's go.
To bead this breast cup, I'm using the size 11 beading needle and regular polyester thread, a matching color of polyester thread. So please take note of these little tips while working on your own project. I'm picking up about 4 seed beads and I'm going to be passing them in a certain type of way in order to create this first beading pattern. Talking might not necessarily do justice to this entire process, so please look at what I'm doing, follow it up while working on your own work. However, if you still have questions for me regarding anything that you might have noticed while watching this video, please feel free to drop your question down in the comment section. Also, at some points where my thread got tangled up, I decided to leave the footage to show you how I typically go about detangling my tangled up thread. This is just to help you know how to detangle your thread just in case you experience something like this while working on your own design. I'm going to keep quiet now, allow you guys watch everything that I'm doing. If you have questions again, please feel free to ask. Also, remember to like this video so I know that you guys got value. If you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, please join us by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know every single time I post a new video. Also, if you know someone that would enjoy this type of content, please don't hesitate to share with them. Thank you guys for your time and I hope you enjoyed the remaining parts of today's tutorial.
All right, friends, so this is what we have here. If this is the vibe that you're going for, you could bead all the way to this point, okay, all over the breast cup. You could do straight beading, you could do like single dotted beading. This is like the first part of so many more videos to come, okay, so don't feel stressed. If there's any beading pattern you'd like me to create, or maybe like a breast cup or something, okay, if there's anything you'd like me to teach, please feel free to tag me on any post you see. Like, send me posts on Instagram, okay? That's the way I get inspiration for most of these tutorials that I come on here with. So I'm going to stop here for now, so I don't, you know, spend all my time on one single piece. However, I'm just going to bling this up, because what's a tutorial from me if I don't add blings to what I'm doing? So I'm just going to add this cup chain over here. If you are doing this on a client's outfit, I would advise that you stitch down the cup chain onto the breast cup, okay? I've already shared a tutorial on how to sew cup chain onto fabric. If you've not seen that video, I'll try to link it on the screen. Check out that video. Everything I shared there is what you would inculcate into this work and sew this cup chain down to this breast cup or whatever part of the fabric you are working on. I hope I am in focus. But for the sake of this tutorial, because I've been filming all day and I'm tired, I'm just going to glue down this cup chain, okay? So I'm just going to like apply this glue at this edge here where I want the cup chain to start from, okay? And then I'll be working my way downwards. I hope we all can see. Let me see. So I have like a little dollop of glue over here. So I'm just going to place this cup chain on it from here, like so. I'm going to add a little more glue. I said a little more, but I've gone far. For those that are wondering, I'm using the B7000 glue. I got a question recently, a couple of days ago. Someone was asking me, what is the difference between B6000 and E6000 and all those other E ones? Honestly, in my opinion, there's no difference. I just usually just pick up anyone that is close by, because I have so many different glues because I work with them a lot, obviously. So anyone I have close by, I just reach out for it and use it. I think they are all equally good. It all just depends on how you use it. So this is what we have here. Can we see how stunning this looks? Imagine adding cup chain here and then repeating this beading pattern over here, adding another cup chain, beading. Like, the end result will be too stunning. Like, with beading, there's no limit to. And like I said, so many more tutorials to come. I just need to know that you guys are enjoying the video by seeing the number of views that I get on videos, and it will help me just know that, okay, the people are eating up this content and I need to keep coming back with it. So please watch, like as well. Don't just watch, please like the tutorial, so I know that you guys are enjoying. Because I don't want to just stop here and this entire portion will just be plain, I'm going to take it up a notch by applying some flat bottom beads. Did I just say bottom? Flat bottom beads from this my collection that was gifted to me by my sister. I already shared the backstory to this, so I'm going to use this one here, this color here, because it matches this color of breast cup. Can you guys see the color match? Yeah, so I'm just going to be picking up a few pieces and applying it using glue, of course, because we can see that it's a flat bottom, it's a bunch of flat bottom beads. So the only option here is to glue it. I cannot sew it. But if you're working on a client's outfit, please do something more thorough for your clients. Don't just say because Funmibi glued in a video, you too, you go and glue. I'm only gluing because I'm just simply making a tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'll do like a fast forwarded or a sped up montage of how I'm applying this flat bottom. This is a bit too bright. So I was saying I'll do a sped up montage of me applying these flat bottom beads onto this breast cup, and then we'll wrap up this tutorial. Alright guys, so this is what I've done so far in blinging up this breast cup. I just want to show us a quick beading pattern. So I'm just going to pass my thread through this cute little plate here. I hope we can see. Okay, like so. It's just something that you can also experiment with in your free time. You pick one single piece of bead. I'm working with this seed bead as we all saw at the intro. Pick one piece, pass it, then just, I hope we are getting the gist of what I'm doing, Sha. I sincerely hope so. I'll do it one more, or I'll do it a few more times. So pass your needle again. Remember, you're passing your needle in such a way that it doesn't show in the lining of this piece of breast cup that we are working on. You see how my breast cup looks clean inside. None of the stitches that we did on top is showing. That's what you want to go for. So pick up one single or two, depending on how many beads you want to do. Pick one and then pass your needle through, something like this. Yeah, pull all the way. Feel free to adjust. If you see that your thread is tangling up, adjust it. And then when you have like this loop-like situation going on here, all you do is just pass your needle and thread in between the loop, like you're trying to knot up the stitch, just that you have your bead inside it, and pull very well. See how we have one bead, two beads. You keep doing that until you're satisfied with the quantity of beads that you've done. I'm just going to do that a few more times. This is what we have here for the sake of this tutorial. You can repeat this single beading. Imagine doing this single piece of beading all over your breast cup. It's a vibe, okay? And you can use any type of bead. You can even interchange these seed beads that I used with crystal beads. I have another upcoming tutorial that I would kind of use this beading pattern to create something really beautiful. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on it. You see the thing I always say about glue, see how all these flat bottom beads are already lifting off, but I'm going to fix it now. I think the problem is the fact that I'm using this B7000. I'm going to switch to my hot glue and just do this down and then give us like the final look of this breast cup that we just worked on. All right friends, this is what we have now. Look how gorgeous this looks. I'm going to put a footage of what the breast cup looks like without any form of embellishment and what it looks like now that we've gone ahead to embellish it. Please note that this is not the only way to embellish your bust cups, okay? Your breast cups, I mean. There are so many different ways. This was just me freestyling and showing you different ways in which you can accessorize bust cups and just luxury bespoke dresses, okay? This is a vibe. Feel free to make changes, tweak it here and there to your own desired vibe. You could do just this. You see the way I beaded this portion? You could do this all over the breast cup. You could just do a bunch of cup chains all over the breast cup. You could just do like, I don't recommend flat bottom beads though, because you have to glue it on, except you are going to instruct your clients to only dry clean the outfits. They are not going to be hand washing or putting their dresses in the washing machine. If they are using glue, it's strictly dry cleaning, of which over time it might start to lift off. Yeah, that's the downside of doing this kind of stick-on kind of vibe to your design. You could also do this single beading pattern. Remember how we did this single beading pattern over here? Something like what you see that I went ahead to do like a vibe here where I did a combination of crystal bead and seed bead and just did it all over. This is another type of cup chain, and I also went ahead to also press on these flat bottom beads. Like, there's no limits. This is the end result though. I hope we all enjoyed watching. I hope we learned something. If you don't know how I created this bust cup in the first place, I have a video. I believe it should be on the channel. Please scroll to the bottom of my description and feel free to watch it and learn. Okay, if you still have questions for me, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. Okay, I'll be more than happy to answer you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe, share with a friend, and yeah guys, I can't wait to see you in another tutorial very soon. Bye.